Ladies and gentlemen, it is an honor to stand with you in support of Tibet and all those who are repressed. We are witnessing increasing threats to civil liberties worldwide, particularly the fundamental right to freedom of religion. Authoritarian regimes such as China were once in minority, but they are now becoming increasingly influential on the global stage, emboldening them to intensify repression at home. After the death of Mao Zedong, many in the West believed that China would gradually evolve into a liberal democracy. The economic reforms introduced by Deng Xiaoping led to unprecedented prosperity and economic transformation unlike any seen in history. We assumed that with prosperity would come the embrace of liberal democracy, but reality has shown us otherwise. Since the Tiananmen Square protest, we have seen a steady increase in repression, with ethnic and religious minorities suffering the most. The hope of liberal values taking root in China has proven to be an illusion. One might have thought that China's technological advancements would contribute to greater freedoms for citizens. The internet became rapidly accessible to the broader population, raising hope that it would foster openness and free expression. Yet, once again, the opposite has proven true. The same technology that could have empowered the people have instead been weaponized to tighten government control, restrict access to information, and suppress dissidents. We gather here today to stand in solidarity with the Tibetans who are suffering under the repression of the Chinese regime. Moreover, we must raise awareness here in the Netherlands. For too long, we have been naive about the growing power and influence of China, both within its borders and beyond. We can no longer ignore the increasing examples of Chinese interference in our own country through intimidation tactics, cyber attacks, and espionage. It is imperative that we take a stronger stance against these actions. We firmly believe that under the current political structure of the People's Republic of China, Tibet does not enjoy the autonomy it rightfully deserves. Tibetans must be granted self-determination and the religious freedom they once had. That is why we must continue to stand against authoritarian regimes, advocating for justice and diplomatic level, and holding the Chinese government accountable for its inhumane policies. To all of those oppressed by the Chinese regime, I want to encourage you to continue organizing and advocating for your rights. The greatest threat to these regimes is a united and resilient civil society. Your struggle is not in vain, your courage inspires us all. Know that the Netherlands stands with the Tibetan people. Thank you very much.